If you are a beginner in media and you don't have video mixer for your setup, I'm going to show you an alternative and easy way you can switch multiple cameras in OBS Studio without using video mixer. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So for this setup, I'm going to be using external keyboard, or you can use the keyboard that came with your system. And I'm going to be leaving the link to the external keyboard down in the description below. Next, head over to OBS Studio, and now in OBS Studio, I've already set up my cameras. I have 3 cameras here, camera 1, camera 2, this camera over here, and I have another input here, and I have some graphics over here. If you want to learn how to add in your cameras and use Multiview in OBS Studio, click the video up here so you can be able to watch the tutorial. Now in OBS Studio, head over to the settings. Now in the settings, move to hotkeys, and this is where we're going to program all the cameras. So now just scroll down. I'm going to set camera 1 as A on my keyboard, and for camera 2, I'm going to set it as B on my keyboard. And for camera 3, I'm going to set it as C in my keyboard. Next, scroll down. For your graphics, like I have some graphics here like topic, starting soon. I'm going to set the topic as 1, and I'm going to set the starting soon as 2. Now for the transition, I have 2 transitions here, which is cut and fade. So I'm going to set fade as L. So whenever I click on L, that means the camera is already live. So for fade, I'm going to set it as F. Click on OK. Now move to the view option here, and you will see Multiview. Click on Multiview and open it. Now this is Multiview. We have camera 1 here, camera 2, then another camera input, which is camera 3. Then I have some graphics, which is topic and starting soon. So now if I want to mix my camera, I'm just going to click on A because I've programmed A to be the camera 1. So I'm just going to click on A, and to go live, I'm just going to click on A, and now as you can see, it's already showing on the preview. If you want to make it to go live and show on program, just click on L, and now as you can see, camera 1 is already live. So if I want to move to camera 2, I'm just going to click on B, and this is the B, is showing on preview. If you want to go live, just click on L, and as you can see, it's already live. Same thing too, if I want to go to camera 3, just click on C and click on L, and now as you can see, it's already live. So now if I want to move back to camera 1, I'm just going to click on A and click on L, and now as you can see, I've moved back to camera 1. So now if you want to add in your graphics like lower thirds, I've set the lower third, which is the topic, to number 1. So I'm just going to click on 1, and to make it fading, I'm going to click on F. And now as you can see, my graphics is showing, which is the topic. And once I'm done, I'm just going to click on L to move back to the camera 1 without graphics. And if I want to show starting soon, I'm just going to click on number 2 because I've programmed number 2 to be the starting soon. So I'm just going to click on number 2 and click on F. So now if you want to easily mix all your cameras just like video mixer, what you just need to do is to make sure you study the keys properly so you can be able to mix easily. So I'm just going to show you how to mix. Now I'm on camera 1. So to go to camera 2, I'm just going to click on B, click on F to fade in. Next, I'm going to go to C, click on L to cut. Next, I'm going to go to A, click on F to fade in. And as you can see, it's very easy, just like video mixer. So if you don't have video mixer, this is a very good alternative for you to use and make your production look great and easy. So I'm going to do it one more time. Click on L, I'm going to click on C, click on F, I'm going to move back to A, click on L, then to show my graphics, I'm going to click on 1, click on F. This setup is very easy and very smooth. If you have any question and you want to learn more about media, check the comment section. I've pinned my Telegram channel so you can join. Click the link to join my Telegram channel, and you can also purchase the external keyboard down in the description below. Click the link to purchase. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebenezer from OBS Studio. See you in my next video.